logic board is out. That looks lovely. This looks like crap.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Hi, welcome to the MBK Upcycle Lab. We're going to clean a Mac keyboard the proper and easy way. I've seen a lot of videos about cleaning keyboards with soapy water, hydrogen peroxide, a dishwasher, and window cleaner. Let's do it properly. Let's do it safely. Let's use isopropylene alcohol. All you need to get started is three things. You need isopropylene alcohol in a spray bottle, and you can get this from a chemist or department store or your local hardware store. You need a light scrubbing brush with light bristles, and you need some absorbent paper toweling such as kitchen toweling or anything of that nature. This can be done on corded keyboards or on your wireless keyboards. Make sure your Mac is actually shut down before carrying out this process. We're going to be working on the wireless keyboard today. All you have to do is spray on the isopropylene alcohol all over the keyboard. This is flammable stuff, and it's also got some fumes, so a little bit of common sense. Use in a well ventilated area, and don't expose it to any naked flames or sparks. It is flammable. Give it a bit of a scrub with the brush all around, up and down. Work that isopropylene alcohol in around the keys. And then all you have to do is use the paper toweling, wipe it down, clean it all up, and you are all done. It's done properly and it's done safely. And you can't get any easier than that. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're interested in the content. If you've heard of any other wacky and stupid ways of cleaning Mac keyboards, leave it in the comments down below. Other than that, have a lovely day, hooroo, and we'll see you next time in the MBK Upcycle Lab.